Good morning, students. So today we do the remaining examples of your chapter 5, that is arithmetic progressions. So let us see with example number 14. Find the sum of the first 1000 positive integers. So what are integers? The integers are that number which are lying on a number line. So we have to take here only positive integers. So the positive integers are starting from 1. Alright. So we have to take how many integers? First 1000. So first 1000 are 1, 2, 3 up to 1000. ठीक है, आप 1 से लेकर 1000 तक सभी पॉजिटिव इंटीजर्स का सम फाइंड करोगे. So you can see here this positive integers are having common difference 1. So see here 2 minus 1, 1, 3 minus 2 is 1, 4 minus 3 is 1. So it means common differences are equal in this first 1000 positive integers. So it means the given series is in AP series. So you have to find their sum. It means you will find here as 1000. So now, which is the first term? The first term is here 1. Common difference is again 1 because 2 minus 1 is 1. So first term is 1 and common difference is also 1. So now what is the formula to find the sum of AP series? So there are two formulas. The first one is n over 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d, and the second one is n over 2 into a plus n. So you can see here the last term is given in this series, so we can put here n by 2 a plus n. Alright. So now what is here n? N means number of terms. So we know that from 1 to 1000 there are total how many terms? 1000. So write here 1000 over 2 into a plus n. A means first term, which is equal to 1, and n is the last term. So last term is denoted by an. So the value of last term is here 1000. Alright. So now solve this. 2 ones are 2, 2 5 hundreds are 1000. So it is 500 into 1000 plus 1. It is equal to 1001. So now multiply this 1001 into 500. It is clear, students? 5 ones are 5, 0, 0, 5 ones are 5, and put 2 0 at the end. So what is your answer? Answer is 5,500,000. So 5,500,000 is the sum of first 1000 positive integers. So now see the second part of this question. Find the sum of the first n positive integers. N positive. So n positive integers means you will take here first integer is 1, second is 2, third one is 3 up to nth term. ठीक है, यहाँ पे भी आपने क्या करना है n positive integers का सम फाइंड करना है. तो लास्ट टर्म को आप n से ही डिनोट करोगे. लास्ट टर्म इज टेकन एज n here. Alright. Now again, the given series is in AP. So see here the first term is 1. Common difference is also 1 because common difference is 2 minus 1 is 1, 3 minus 2 is 1, and so on. So first term and common difference, they both are having 1. Now you will find here what? As n, because you need to find the sum of first n positive integer, first n. So it is denoted by as n. So we know that the last term is n. So again we will put this formula n by 2 a plus n. Now what is the value of n? N is taken as n because there are total how many terms? n terms. ठीक है, यहाँ पर आपको कोई टर्म स्पेसिफाई नहीं करना है, तो आप लास्ट टर्म को n से ही डिनोट करोगे. a first term is 1. What is n? N is last term, so last term is again n. So what is the answer? N into n plus 1 divided by 2. See here this is n. This 1 plus n is written as n plus 1 also, and divided by 2. So it means the sum of first n positive integers is equal to n into n plus 1 whole divided by 2. Alright. So this is the example number 14. Now see the next example number 15. Find the sum of first 24 terms of the list of numbers whose nth term is given by an is equal to 3 plus 2n. So in this question you have to find the sum of first 24 terms. So first 24 terms means you will find here S24. So now to find the sum of first 24 terms we need to find the first AP series. So in this question the general term is given here, that is an, which is equal to 3 plus 2n. So this is the nth term in the given AP series. So first we will find here a1, a2, a3 to get the AP series. So to find the value for a1 you put here n1. ठीक है, आपको nth टर्म गिवन है इस क्वेश्चन में. आप क्या करोगे, उस nth टर्म से पहले फर्स्ट टर्म फाइंड करोगे, सेकंड टर्म, थर्ड टर्म. Alright, you will find the first three terms. So put here value for n1. अब यहाँ पर n की value 1 put करके first term find करेंगे. So if you put here 1, so 2 1s are 2 and 2 plus 3 is 5. It means the value for a1 is 5. The first term is 5. Now put here value for n is 2. So if you put here 2, it is 2 to the 4 and 4 plus 3 is 7. It means the second term is 7. Now again put the next third term. So it is 2 3 is 6 and 6 plus 3 is 9. The third term is 9 and so on. So now we get the required AP series. So in this series the first term is in 5. Next one is 5. What is the common difference? Common difference is 2. 7 minus 5 is 2. 9 minus 7 is 2. So difference is 2 here and the first term is 5. Now find here S24. So what is the formula? The formula is n by 2 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So you will put here this formula because we don't know the last term in this series. Alright. So what is the value of n here? N is 24. Put here 24 over 2, 2a. What is a? A is equal to 5. N minus 1. N is 24 into d. The difference is here 2. So now solve this. 2 ones are 2 and 2 12s are 24. Now 2 5s are 10 plus 24 minus 1. It is equal to 23 and 23 2s are 46. 46 plus 10 is 56. Now multiply 56 and 12. It is equal to 672. 672. So 672 is the sum of first 24 terms in this series. Clear, students? So this is your example number 15. Now see the last example number 16 of this chapter. A manufacturer of TV sets produced 600 sets in the third year and 700 sets in the seventh year. So third year में कितने sets produced किए उन्होंने? 600 और seventh year में किए 700. So it means value of A3 because in the third year they produced how many sets? 600 sets. So the value of A3 is 600 and in seventh year they produced how many sets? 700 sets. It means the value of A7 is 700. The next is assuming that the production increases uniformly by a fixed number every year. मतलब हर एक ईयर उन्होंने फिक्स नंबर के साथ टीवी सेट्स अपने यूनिफॉर्मली इंक्रीज किए. ठीक है, उनकी प्रोडक्शन को इंक्रीज किया. So find the production in the first year. So first year means you will find your first term A1. So in the second part find the production in the 10th year. मतलब A10 की वैल्यू फाइंड करनी है and the total production in the first 7 years total. So total means you will find here S7. Clear, students? Total means you will find the sum of the TV production in the first 7 years. ठीक है, फर्स्ट ईयर से लेके 7 इयर्स तक जितनी भी टोटल प्रोडक्शन हुई होगी उन सभी का आपने सम फाइंड करना है. ऑलराइट. सो सी हियर द वैल्यू ऑफ A3 is 600, वैल्यू ऑफ A7 is 700. So what is the formula of A3? It is A plus 2D. A A plus 2D. And the seventh term is equal to 700. So its formula is A plus 6D. It's equal to 700. So now to solve this equation by which method? Elimination method. So first change the sign. So A minus A, it is cancelled. Plus 2D minus 6D, it is equal to minus 2D. Plus 600 minus 700, it is equal to minus 100. Now negative sign cancel from both sides. So what is D? D is equal to 100 over 4. So it is cancelled with 25. So it means the D is equal to 25. So it means the common difference is 25. Alright. So now you find the value for A. So put this D in the first equation. A plus 2D. So what is D here? D is 25. Is equal to 600. Now A plus 25 to the 50. Or what is A? A is equal to 600 minus 50. It is equal to 550. So it means A is the first term. It means the TV production company produces 550 sets in the first year. First year उन्होंने कितने sets produce किए? 550. So now find the production in the 10th year. So 10th year you will find here A10. Alright, you will find here what? A10. So the formula of A10 is A plus 90. So value of A is here 550 plus 90. What is D? D is 25. So multiply this 25 with 9, which is equal to 9 5 is 45, 4 carry, 9 2 is 18, 18 plus 4, 22. Now add this 550 with 225, it is equal to 775. Alright, so 775 TV sets produced in the which year? In the 10th year. Now we will find the total production in the first 7 years. Total production. You will find here what? S7. So what is the formula of S7? It is n by 2 2A plus n minus 1 into t. So what is the value of n here? N is 7. 2A. What is A? A is equal to 550. So 550 to 1100. Plus n minus 1. Value of n is here 7. So 7 minus 1 is 6. And take the common difference, which is 25. Alright. So 700 1100 plus 25 6 it is equal to 150. 1100 plus 150 it is 1250. Now cancel this 1250 with 2. It is how much? 625. Now find the product of 625 and 7. It is 7 times 35, 3 carry, 7 to the 40. 40 plus 3 is 17. 1 carry, 7 6 is 42. 42 plus 1 is 43. So what is the answer? 4375. ठीक है, इसका मतलब 4375 TV sets की production हुई total in the first 7 years. Alright, so this is the example number 16. Thank you.